Hey guys. Okay, wait, you need to see these wigs. Like, seriously. If you're thinking about switching up your hair game this year, girl, 2025 is the year to do it. Because, um, let's be real, life's too short for boring hair, right? From everyday slay to who is she? Glam. I've got you covered. Hey, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Jennifer Angular. I talk all things beauty, hair, and feeling amazing in your skin. So if that's your vibe, make sure you hit that subscribe button somewhere down there. All right, let's just get straight into it. Here are the top 5 hair wigs you need in 2025. This is your guide, your bestie talk, whatever you want to call it. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Women Natural Looking Heat Resistant Fiber Hair. All right, let's get into it. Here's your real girl guide to one of my favorite synthetic wigs right now. The NNZ's heat resistant wig that's been quietly doing the most. You see this? The texture, the shinites, not that overly plasticky look that some synthetic wigs have. It actually moves. Like it has some weight to it, which I love. And the way it lays on the scalp. It's giving "I just got a blowout" energy, not party store costume wig. Lol. Okay, this is a game changer. You can style it, straighten it, curl it up to 160 degrees Celsius. Just please don't go overboard. We're not trying to fry her, okay? I curled the ends a little last weekend for brunch, and it held up so nice. I didn't even have to do much. Just a little touch-up, and I was good to go. You know how some wigs feel like? Helmets? This one's not like that. It's got adjustable straps inside, which is so helpful if you've got a small head like me, or even if you wear a wig cap. It sits snug, but not tight-like. I've worn it for a full day, and didn't feel like yanking it off halfway through. Number 4, Wear and Go Glueless Wigs Human Hair. Okay, first of all, who has time these days? These glueless wigs are for every girl who's tired of glue, tape, and that whole lace-laying struggle bus. And this one I found on Amazon? Let me tell you. It's a 4x4 closure, pre-plucked, 100% human hair, and the highlight color. It's giving soft glam, no effort. So first, the lace? It's already pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything but cut it. It fits so comfortably. It has the adjustable band in the back, so no sliding, no glue. The hairline is actually natural. I'm not out here looking like a Barbie doll, you know? And yes, you can style it. Curl it, flat iron it, middle part, side part, whatever vibe you're feeling. And y'all, the color? That soft brown highlight? Ugh. I feel expensive. Even if I'm just going to Target, listen. If you're over the glue life, or you just want something you can throw on and feel cute in, this wig is honestly one of the best affordable human hair glueless wigs I've tried this year. Number 3, Highlight Bob Lace Front Wig Human Hair. So this beauty right here is from Amazon, yes, Amazon. It's from Arabella, and it's a lace front bobso. Short, sleek, and it's got these caramel blonde highlights that just pop on every skin tone. I swear, this highlight? It makes me feel like I just stepped out of the salon, even though I literally threw this on in 10 minutes. Okay, here's why I'm in love with this wig. It's 100% human hair, so you can straighten it, curl it, whatever. It has bleached knots, which, thank you. No more that grid hairline look. It's a glueless install, so no glue, no gel, no fuss. Just put it on and go. And it's so breathable, it doesn't feel like a helmet on your head. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Some wigs be feeling like a whole football helmet. Not this one. Sis, if you've been wanting to try something new, something bold but still classy, this highlight bob lace front wig is a total confidence boost. Number 2, Beauty Forever Body Wave U-Part Human Hair. Today we're talking about the Beauty Forever Body Wave U-Part Human Hair Wig. And, can I just say this is the solution for lazy girl slay days. You want the look without the lace, the glue, the drama? This is IT. It's a U-part wig, which means no lace, no baby hair stress, no glue. You just leave a little bit of your natural hair out, clip it in, and boom, you look like you just stepped out of the salon. First of all, it's 100% human hair, so you can curl it, straighten it, whatever. Second, these body waves? Ugh, they bounce and flow like real hair. It's breathable too. Like, I'm not sweating underneath. And it took me less than 10 minutes to install. Yes, 10. If you're new to wigs or you're scared of the whole glue and lace thing, this is such a good place to start. It's cute, quick, and you still get that, wow, who is she? Look without doing the most. So yeah, this Beauty Forever U-Part body wave wig, it's definitely on my must-have list for 2025. Simple, beautiful, and it just makes you feel put together, even when life is not. Number 1, lace front glueless human hair wig. So today, I'm showing y'all this lace front glueless human hair wig from Sunbrand. Oof, she's soft, she's bouncy, and she's low-key saving my life right now. Like real talk, I've been running around lately, and ain't nobody got time for laying lace for an hour. This wig, pop it on, adjust the straps, do a lil brush, and you're done. First off, it's human hair. So like, you can straighten it, curl it, deep wave it, whatever mood you're in. The lace? Girl, it's giving melt. Like look, this is glueless and it still looks like scalp. And it's not heavy. Like it's breathable. I wore it outside and didn't feel like I was cooking underneath. Also, can we talk about the color blend? It's chocolate brown with little highlight streaks that just make it pop in the sunlight. Ugh, I love it. Honestly, this wig is that I want to look cute, but I'm not trying too hard today kind of wig. It's giving main character energy, but without the full production. If you're new to wigs, or you're just tired of glue ruining your edges, this is honestly such a good option. It looks natural, it feels soft, and it takes like 0 effort to install. So yeah, those are my top 5 picks for 2025. I mean, it's giving options, it's giving flavor, it's giving new hair, new me, every day of the week. Which one was your fave? Drop it in the comments because y'all know I love chatting with you down there. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a lil thumbs up. Maybe share it with your bestie who's always borrowing your wigs. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. You know I got you. All right, I'll see you in the next one.